Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable CORS in a mobile dev local API test easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to disable CORS for a mobile development local API test. First, ensure that your mobile development environment is set up. Open your project in your preferred code editor. Locate the API server configuration file. This file often resides in the root directory or within a specific folder for server settings. Next, identify the section responsible for handling requests. Look for any middleware or settings related to CORS. If you're using Node.js, find the CORS package in your dependencies. To disable CORS, you can either remove the CORS middleware or comment it out. For instance, if you see app.use CORS, simply comment it by adding double slashes at the beginning. If your API is set up with specific origins, you can modify the settings. Change the value from a specific origin to a wildcard by using asterisk. This will allow requests from any origin during your local development. After making the changes, save your configuration file. Next, restart your API server to apply the modifications. Test your API by making a request from your mobile application. Check the console or network tab for success responses. Remember to revert these changes before deploying your API in a production environment. Adjusting CORS settings should only be done in a local development context. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.